Younger patients may start to see some laxity of their neck. They may start to see the jowl. As they get older, those aging signs will continue to progress. So for the younger patient, we may just do injectables like Botox and an injectable filler. As the aging progresses, we may combine that with a procedure which I would call a scarless or minimally invasive procedure to liposuction any fat from the neck, use a minimally invasive skin tightening procedure called FaceTite to address the lower face and neck, and use a scarless neck suspension suture to improve the contour of the neck. That works well in a patient who is not yet ready for a surgical facelift.
A facelift basically addresses the changes that you get with aging, typically focused on the lower mid-face, that you get some drooping and sagging of the skin and also some facial muscle laxity. There's always that downward pull that we always see, and that's what a facelift will address. Very frequently we do it in conjunction with a neck lift. They work together, and very rarely will somebody have significant changes in their face that they want to address and not have any changes in the neck. So when they come in for a consultation, we'll look and say, we advise a facelift and potentially even doing a concurrent neck lift at the same time.
Many patients who come in for a facelift, who have aging signs where a facelift would help, also typically have aging signs of the eyelids and perhaps the brow. And so we might combine upper and lower eyelid surgery or even a brow lift.
A blepharoplasty is basically removing some of the excess skin that is on the upper eyelids. Some people also require removal of a little bit of fat or fullness, but it's done in a surgical procedure.
The minimally invasive facelift has a recovery time of about a week. For a surgical facelift, most patients feel comfortable going out in public after 2 weeks. We ask the patient if they're interested in a surgical procedure or perhaps a non-surgical procedure, and we also get an idea of the time they have for recovery. And then we will tailor the procedure for them. It may include a surgical procedure alone, it may include non-surgical and surgical procedures, or non-surgical, minimally invasive scarless technology.
Women feel wonderful. They feel so confident. They feel like you've given them their youth back. They feel like they can go out there and conquer the world.